Wait, this is not real footage. Every single clip you're seeing right now was generated entirely by AI. No camera, no actors, no editing team, and the craziest part? This took less than a few minutes to create. This is Seedance 2.0, and it's on a completely different level. Look at this. The water physics, the motion, the lighting. This looks like something straight out of a Hollywood movie. But here's where it gets insane. You don't need complex prompts. You don't need experience. You can literally type one sentence and generate videos like this. And yes, you can actually try it right now. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how to access it, and how you can start creating cinematic AI videos today. Let's get into it. Now, if you want to try this yourself, you can access Seedance 2.0 right now. Just click the link in the description and it will take you directly to the platform. Sign up with your email and you'll instantly get access to the interface. Once you log in, this is what the dashboard looks like. At the top, you'll see different models, but what you want to select is Seedance 2.0. After selecting it, you'll enter the main generation interface. From here, you can create videos in multiple ways. And what makes this powerful is you're not limited to just text prompts. Before we start generating, let me give you a quick tour of the interface so you know what you're looking at. The first one is the reference generation model, where you can upload your images, videos, and even audio files. Yes, you heard that right. You can actually upload multiple media types at the same time. As you can see, you can upload up to 12 files including videos and audio, which is honestly pretty crazy. This gives you a lot more control over how your final video turns out. It also has a first and last frame option, which is pretty self-explanatory. You can upload the starting frame and the ending frame, and the model will generate a smooth video between those two frames. All right, let's get into the actual demos. Starting with the most fundamental mode, text to video. This is the purest test of what an AI video model can do. No input images, no reference footage, just words. You describe what you want to see and the AI builds it from scratch. I'm going to type in this prompt right here. I'm keeping it relatively simple because I want to show you that you don't need to write a complex technical paragraph to get incredible results. Just describe the scene clearly and give it some mood. I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9. The model, of course, is Seedance 2.0 Pro, and duration to 10 seconds. And generate. Okay, here it is. Watch this. Look at the water. Just look at it. The way it churns and sprays, the depth in the waves, the way light catches each individual crest. That is not what AI video looked like 6 months ago. That looks like it was filmed on location by an actual cinematography team. And then the dragon rising out of it, made entirely of water, holding its shape while still flowing and moving like actual liquid. I genuinely don't know how they pulled that off. And from one text prompt. That took me about 20 seconds to write. Crazy. Let me do one more. This time something completely different. More grounded, more mechanical. Let me show you range. And the second prompt is a heavily armored mech warrior charges across a battlefield. Explosions in the background, ground shaking with each step, dust and debris flying, cinematic camera shake, dramatic score. Same aspect ratio, model, and the duration is 12 seconds. Then click generate. Here's the result. The weight on this one is just, yeah, you feel every single footstep. The ground shaking, the debris flying, the camera shake that feels completely intentional and real. There's no floatiness here, no weird warping or morphing, just raw, grounded, cinematic energy. Text to video. One prompt, and I think I need 15 seconds long for this scene next time. Now let's switch to reference generation, image to video, which is honestly one of my favorite modes. The idea is simple. You start with an image, and Seedance 2.0 brings it to life. Since the model already understands the scene, your prompt only needs to describe the motion, not the visuals. I'll upload an image here. You can use any photo, AI-generated image, or illustration. For the prompt, I'll keep it motion focused. Walk forward slowly, then break into a full charge toward the camera, ground trembling, atmosphere tense. I'll set it to 16:9 for Seedance Pro and choose 10 seconds, and hit generate. Pro tip while we're waiting, when you're doing image to video, think like a film director giving notes on a scene. You don't tell the actor what color their costume is, they can see it. You tell them the emotion, the physicality, the intention. That mindset produces way better prompts for this mode. Here's the result, and look how amazing is it. Okay, this next feature is honestly a game changer for anyone trying to tell stories with AI video, and it's called first and last frame. The concept is simple. You upload a starting image and an ending image, and Seedance 2.0 generates everything in between. It creates a smooth cinematic transition from start to finish, perfectly consistent. This is incredibly powerful for storytelling because you're not guessing the outcome. You're controlling exactly where the scene begins and ends. I've got 2 images ready. I'll upload the first frame, then the last frame. I'll write a prompt. Choose aspect ratio to 16:9. The resolution is 720p. Set it to 10 seconds and generate. Here's the 2 version I created. Seedance 2.0 is easily one of the best AI video models I've used. The motion, realism, and consistency are just on another level, and this is just the beginning. Tools like this are changing how content is created, making cinematic production accessible to anyone. So here's what you should do. Click the link in the description, try Seedance 2.0 for yourself. Start creating today. It takes less than a minute to get started, and you'll be generating your first video in no time. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone into AI. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Go try it now. Let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together.